I think Jeff knows what he's doing. Honestly, no. We translated a whole paragraph in 4 words and sound effect. This one put here. Chap chap chap.
Actually, my Chinese also not that good. I don't know what he's saying.
Alright, so we are back again with the W114. This car previously was left with the hands of Johnny from Divine Splash. As you can see, some party work has been done.
Party.
And we are here to do some welding today lah. Before we proceed, I would like my mentor to actually have a look at the car and actually give me his feedback lah. So in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, look, he appeared suddenly.
So if you don't know who this is Arthur. Arthur from the Pintail video, from our Porsche video. So Arthur, take a look around the car and tell me how's the process. Is it going good? Or is there some things we can work on?
You know, actually you can get the new bumpers. Do you manage to order?
I using the old one because not too bad. I just recombing.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, this is the correct
wheel for this series.
Yes, yeah. But I mean the wheel cap will be more retro lah.
Yeah, the hubcap.
Yeah, and then this one, right? I think you need about 50 over pieces of the studs. 50 over pieces,
Okay, I'll count.
So what do you think of the roof, Arthur?
Not bad, right? Honestly,
not
all
bad,
the crazy.
Yeah,
more the brown
compared
thing.
to the other day when you took the car.
Yeah.
I think the doors still can you can still get all this.
Yeah.
I think some they sell as a set like this.
Yeah. I got the whole trim.
Yeah.
The door seal. All these I already ordered.
So your this quarter glass has no mirror here, right?
Yeah, only one side.
Only one side, yeah. Okay.
If I want to change, as you know, the older W114, the mirror come out, right?
No lah, but
I need to change the whole glass.
Series 1 and Series 2 is different if you were to order this.
Yeah.
Because I think the Series 1 is thinner. Yeah.
Correct.
Oh, you did your homework.
I did my homework.
Okay. You know, the grill, there's still a rubber inside here. Get the rubber so that it fits nicer and you can see it's more
Seamless.
Yeah. This is a very olden type of aircon compressor. Okay, if you realize, right, this one is a standing up one. The pipe is here. If you look at the newer, maybe like yours, right, it's the other way. It's horizontal. This is vertical.
But it's not working. I need to get a whole new one.
Okay, for me, right, I prefer to leave it like that, more rustic lah, more authentic lah. But if there's something wrong with it, then you have to change.
Changing new one. Yeah. Because I just drove from level 5 to level 7, sweat like mad.
Okay, that one,
the wiring.
That one is a power steering. This one, yeah. So you check.
Okay, so with that, right, after we really finished the car already, so let's start with the welding.
Let's go.
Okay, so now we are at LCF Bodyworks and this is 阿焕。So 阿焕，今天我们在做什么？
OK， 首先我们要割一片铁板出来补一个洞。OK， 这个就割一片铁板出来。
But first, safety first.
Oh yeah, safety first.
The safety first, guys.
So you must capture this one, bro.
Yeah, safety first. Okay.
割一片铁板出来。这个部分呢，生锈的我们就割出来。
会量线
会量切，量了就割这个部分出来。就磨掉这生锈的味道。
可以try吗？好，你们try。
我先，yeah。听完了就点完它咯，就开始切烤。 他要是吗？
Huh? You want try do?
I can.
You can do or
A
not?
bit just for the shot. After that, I'm done.
可以吗？你要出来吗
Try. 他做。
？OK。
Just press this one and the metal thing. Hammer only. Thank you.
Hey, what is this? What is this?
OK，他要放这边。
哦不 inside 啊
不 inside，顶着，
Oh.
轻轻
Then press
But make sure the surface hits.
轻轻的按一
So
下。
go inside
轻轻的这样子按一下，
There must be a contact point.
Okay.
按一下。
You understand? You get. Put that thing in.
因为他们不会烧，很难烧。
这样啊？
对了，那给他拍一下。
Say you're doing well, bro. You're doing very good. 平啊，平讲，那是平讲。
生锈吗？
你
磨掉
angle
来的，angle 来的。
So flat down.
啊 ，flat down。
有点生锈了。
I think I made another hole.
Okay lah, bro.
Okay, so far now we are done with the car. We think we are gonna leave this car to the hands of Ahwat lah.
Yeah, I mean honestly, we are not professional welders nor grinders lah. Let's just leave it to the professionals. We'll be leaving the car here with Ahwat for him to do a better job than us lah. So until then, stay safe, take care, and we will catch you guys on the next episode, and we will see the product of this car.
Bye bye.
Cheers.
So basically now the final base coat is done. So after that will be the spray part. 这件不可以抵消 Listed me never mind. Listed my painter.
可以用做毛笔字。